This standing dye pack is able to hold 3-liter windshield water fluids with great standing effect. As the thickness for this dye pack is thicker, it is. I'm going to show you the thickness for this dye pack. Means about 225 microns. 230, nearly 230. Yeah, 230. Yeah. And I'm going to show you the standing up effect when the rotor is filled. This is 3-liter. 3-liter. Actually, it is somewhat more than 3-liter. And I'm going to fill the rotor into the dye pack. Where you can see the standing effect is very good. Yeah, very good. And the field lever, you can see the field lever. This is the field line. Field line. There will have to be some space left for overfill or shortage of the products. Yeah, there will be some space. Very good standing effect. And also this dye pack is with strong strength property. And you can check the video for our drop test.